Solving methods of differential equations. Solving methods. First one, variable separable method. Variable separable method. For example, if differential equation is of the form f of x into dx plus f of y into dy equal to 0. This form is called variable separable. X variables f of x dx, y variables f of y dy. That means f of x dx equal to minus f of y dy. That implies dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy form, fy form. That is variable separable method. Okay, same variables f of x dx and y variables f of y dy equal to 0. That is dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy. Variable separable method. For example, dy by dx equal to y by x, y by or x by y. Solve dy by dx equal to x by y. Variable separable, x terms x into dx equal to y into dy. Next, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. X into dx equal to y into dy. Integral x, x square by 2. Integral y, y square by 2 plus constant. That is solution of given differential equation. dy by dx equal to x by y. From this onwards, we can find out differential equation, find out the general equation from differential equation. Okay. In exercise 8a, forming general differential equation, from general equation to differential equation. Now we can find out general equation from differential equation. First method is variable separable method. First method is variable separable method. Next, for example, next problem number 3, page number 324, page number 324, problem 3, example 3. Find the general solution of, find the general solution of dy by dx equal to e power x plus y, e power x plus y. Find the general solution or solve. That implies dy by dx equal to e power x into e power y. dy by dx equal to e power x plus y. dy by dx equal to e power x into e power y. That implies variable separable. E power x into dx, e power y by 1 by e power y dy, e power x into dx. That implies integrating on both sides, e power minus y dy integral e power x dx. That implies e power minus y by minus 1 e power x plus constant c. E power minus y plus equal to e power x plus constant c. That is constant c1 leda. E power x plus e power minus y equal to minus c1. That is capital C minus c1. Again constant. That is e power x plus e power minus y equal to again constant small c. Okay, that is required solution for dy by dx equal to e power x plus y. That means dy by dx equal to e power x into e power y. That implies 1 by e power y into dy equal to e power x into dx. That implies e power minus y dy equal to integral e power x dx. Integral e power minus y minus e power minus y equal to integral e power x plus c1. Transfer to right side, we get e power x plus e power minus y equal to minus c1, again constant, that is c. That is general solution. From this we get differential equation. Okay, because differentiating e power x into dx, e power x plus e power minus y minus dy by dx constant 0. That is e power x equal to e power minus y into dy by dx. That implies dy by dx equal to e power x by e power minus y. That is e power x plus y. Forming differential equation from general solution. This is general equation from differential equation. Okay, find the general solution of differential equation. This is forming differential equation from general solution. Okay. This method is called variable separable method. That means x variables and y variables separated. Then we can integrating on both sides. Then we get general solution of given differential equation. Okay. Next, problem number 4. Problem 4, y square minus x dy by dx. Solve. Y square minus x dy by dx. This is also page number 324. Y square minus x dy by dx equal to a into y plus dy by dx. A into y plus dy by dx. That is y square minus x dy by dx, a into dy by dx. Ay transfer to left side, y square minus ay, this one right side, dy by dx common out, minus x plus a. Okay. Now variable separable. Y square minus ay dy by y square minus ay dx by x plus a, dx by x plus a. Okay, now dy by y square minus ay equal to dx by x plus a. That implies dy by y common out, y minus a, dx by x plus a, dy by y into y minus a equal to dx by x plus a. Integrating on both sides, we get integral dy by y into y minus a, integral dx by x plus a, partial fractions, 1 y into y minus a. Okay, 1 by a into 1 by y minus 1 by y minus a. Y minus a minus y cancel, minus a, 1 by minus a of dy equal to integral dx by x plus a. Minus a cross multiplication, 1 by y means log y, 1 by y minus a means log y minus a log x plus a plus any constant log c. Okay, log a minus log b, log a by b, y by y minus a plus a into log x plus a equal to log c, equal to log c. Next, log a plus log b, log a by a into b, y by y minus a into x plus a power a equal to log c. Log c cancelled. Okay now. Cross multiplication, log c cancelled. Y by y into x plus a power a by y minus a equal to c. That is general solution of y square minus x dy by dx equal to a into y plus dy by dx. Multiplying we get y square minus x dy by dx equal to ay plus a into dy by dx. Y square minus ay dy by dx common out. Variable separable. Next, integrating on both sides, we get 1 by y log y, 1 by y minus a log y minus a, 1 by x plus a log x plus a. Of course, any constant c1 or c2 or c or log c. Log c also constant because by cancellation method log cancelled. Therefore, y into x plus a power a by y minus a equal to c. In case of we want the solution y equal to means, that means y minus ay by x plus a power a by c equal to y minus a by y, that is 1 minus a by y. Okay, a by y equal to 1 minus, from this a by y equal to 1 minus x plus a power a by c. That implies y equal to ca by c minus x plus a power a. Anyhow, y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x form. Okay, that is solution of the y square minus x dy by dx equal to a into y plus dy by dx. Solve dy by dx equal to, solve dy by dx equal to y square plus 2y by y square plus 2y by x minus 1, y square plus 2y by x minus 1. Now, variable separable, dy by y square plus 2y dx by x minus 1. That implies dy by y into y plus 2 dx by x minus 1, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get partial fractions, 1 by y, 1 by 2 minus y by 1 by y plus 2 dy equal to integral dx by x minus 1, 1 by y, first partial fraction, second one 1 by y plus 2, y plus 2 minus y 2, 1 by 2, 2 to cancelled. Therefore, remaining part is 1 by y into y plus 2, 1 by y minus 1 by y plus 2, LCM y into y plus 2, y plus 2 minus y, 2 by y into y plus 2, 2 to cancelled. That implies 1 by 2, 1 by y means log y minus 1 by y plus 2 log y plus 2 log x minus 1, constant log c, constant log c. Okay now, that is log a minus log b, log a by b power 1 by 2, log a plus log b, log a into b, log a into b, logarithms cancel, y by y plus 2 power 1 by 2 equal to constant into x minus 1, any constant c into x minus 1. That is problem number 5. Or otherwise, squaring on both sides we get c square into x minus 1 whole square. That implies y plus 2 by y equal to 1 by c square into x minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 2 by y equal to 1 by c square into x minus 1 whole square. 2 by y equal to 1 by c square into x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Y equal to 2 into c square into x minus 1 whole square by 1 minus c square into x minus 1 whole square. That is y equal to f of x form, c square into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. That is solution of dy by dx equal to y square plus 2y by x minus 1. Variables separable. dy into dy by y square plus 2y dx by x minus 1. Y into y plus 2. Partial fractions. 1 by y, second factor 1 by y plus 2. We have in numerator 2. Therefore 1 by 2. 2 to cancelled. 1 by 2 into 1 by y minus 1 by y plus 2 equal to dx by x minus 1. Integrating on both sides, 1 by y log y, 1 by y plus 2 log y plus 2, 1 by x minus 1 log x plus x minus 1 plus log c. Log a plus log b log ab. Log a by b power 1 by 2. Logarithms cancel. Y by y plus 2 power 1 by 2 equal to constant c into x minus 1. Squaring on both sides we get y by y plus 2 equal to c square into x minus 1 whole square. That implies y plus 2 by y equal to 1 by c square into x minus 1 whole square. Of course, solution is completed. If we want y equal to f of x form, we can derive y equal to 2c square into x minus 1 whole square by 1 minus c square into x minus 1 whole square. Solve dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to x into 2 log x plus 1, x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y, sin y plus y cos y, sin y plus y cos y. Variable separable. Sin y plus y cos y of dy equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 of dx, x into 2 log x plus 1 of dx. Okay. Sin y, y cos y dy, x into 2 log x plus 1 dx. Now integrating on both sides, we get integral sin y dy, integral y cos y dy, integral 2x log x dx, integral x dx, integral sin y minus cos y, y cos y, y cos y, by parts rule, y into integral cos y sin y minus derivative of y 1 integral cos y sin y, again integral sin y minus cos y equal to 2 into x log x, x into integral log x into integral 1 x square by 2, x square by 2 into log x minus 1 by x, x square by 2, x square by 4 plus x square by 2 plus constant, x square by 2 plus constant. Okay. That implies cos y cancelled, y sin y equal to 2 into x square by 2, x square log x minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus c, x square by 2 cancelled. Okay. That implies y sin y equal to x square log x plus c. Y sin y equal to x square log x plus c. That is variable separable method. This is from, if it is from objective, then we can do shortcut method, that is sin y, from this sin y plus y cos y dy means d of y sin y, d of y sin y, because uv rule of y into sin y, y cos y plus sin y, okay. Therefore, d of y into sin y, 2x log x plus x means d of x square log x, uv rule of x square log x becomes 2x log x plus x, uv rule of x square log x becomes 2x log x plus x. Now, integrating on both sides, we get y sin y equal to x square log x plus c, only 2 steps, okay. If it is in objective, we can do d of uv rule y sin y, d of uv rule x square log x square log x uv rule, x square into log x by x, log x into x square 2x, that is x plus 2x log x plus 2x log x, that is uv rule of x square log x is 2x log x plus x. uv rule of y sin y is sin y plus y cos y, that is d of y sin y equal to integral d of x square log x, integral of d of y sin y, integral of d of x square sin x square log x plus constant c, that is objective means, okay. Next, problem number 7. This is a different problem. Problem number 7. At any point x comma y is y by x square. Find the equation of the any curve. Find the equation of the curve whose slope at x comma y is y by x square, and which satisfies the condition y equal to 1, x equal to 3, y equal to 1, x equal to 3, okay. Now, we can find out the equation of the curve, here slope is y by x square, slope means dy by dx equal to y by x square. Now, variable separable, dy by y dx by x square, integrating on both sides, we get dy by here y x power minus 2 dx, that is log y x power minus 2 integral x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus c, minus 1 by x plus c, okay. Now, we can find out c value for this y equal to 1, x equal to 3, substitute y equal to 1, x equal to 3, log 1 0, therefore c equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, equation is log y equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3, log y equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3. That is solution of the given curve whose slope at any point x comma y is y by x square, and which satisfies the condition y equal to 1 and x equal to 3. That means y equal to e power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x, y equal to e power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x. Of course, this is also solution, log y equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3. If we want y equal to f of x form, then we can find out e base e power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x equal to y, that is y equal to f of x method. Solve y into 1 plus x dx, y into 1 plus x dx plus x into 1 plus y dy equal to 0. Solve y into 1 plus x dx plus x into 1 plus y dy equal to 0. Okay. Variables separable. Dividing on both sides x, we get y common out, x common out, xy common out, then 1 plus xy, x by xy, that is n plus 1 plus x by x dx, xy common out, 1 plus y by y dy equal to 0. xy common out from two terms, we get 1 plus x by x dx, 1 plus y by dy equal to 0, xy 0, 1 plus x by x dx, 1 plus y by y dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, 1 by x plus 1 dx, next 1 by y plus 1 dy equal to 0. Integral 1 by x log x, integral 1 x log y equal to constant, okay, equal to constant, that is x plus y log a plus log b log ab equal to constant. That is the solution of the equation y into 1 plus x dx plus x into 1 plus y dy equal to 0, that is xy common out, 1 plus x by x dx, 1 plus y by y dy equal to 0, 0 by y xy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, 1 by x plus 1, 1 by y plus 1, 1 by x means log x, 1 means x, integral 1 by y log y, 1 means y, because with respect to y, here with respect to x, integral constant equal to 0, log a plus log b log b log ab, that is 8th one. Next 9th one, solve dy by dx equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y, sin x plus y plus cos x plus y, dy by dx equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y, okay. X plus y, here x plus y, x plus y, therefore put x plus y equal to some constant, put x plus y equal to some z, differentiating on both sides, 1 plus with respect to x dy by dx equal to dz by dx, 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx, therefore the given equation becomes dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1, therefore the given equation becomes dz by dx minus 1 equal to sin z plus cos z, that implies dz by dx equal to 1 plus sin z plus cos z. Variable separable, dz by 1 plus sin z plus cos z equal to dx, dz by 1 plus sin z plus cos z equal to dx, okay. Next, integrating on both sides, dz by 1 plus cos z means 2 cos square z by 2, sin z means 2 sin z by 2 cos z by 2 equal to dx, 1 plus 2 sin z square by 2 2 cos square z by 2 plus 2 sin z by 2 cos z by 2 equal to integral dx. Z by 2 common out, 1 by 2 integral secant square z by 2 by 1 plus tan z by 2 dz equal to integral dx x plus c1 constant. Tan z by 2 derivative secant square z by 2, therefore 1 by 1 plus x formula, log 1 plus x, 1 by 2 log 1 plus tan z by 2 equal to x plus c1. That implies log 1 plus tan z by 2 log 1 plus tan z by 2, z means x plus y by 2 equal to x plus constant c1, x plus constant c1. Okay. Of course, z by 2 inner derivative 1 by 2, 1 by 2 vanishes. Okay. Log 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c1, because z by 2 inner derivative 1 by 2, that means 1 by 2 into secant square z by 2, that is tan z by 2 derivative, therefore 1 by 1 plus x model, that is log 1 plus x equal to x plus c1, log 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c1, that is solution of dy by dx equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. Here put x plus y equal to z, put x plus y equal to z, that is 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx, that implies dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1, dz by dx minus 1. The given equation becomes dz by dx minus 1 equal to sin z plus cos z, dz by dx equal to 1 plus sin z plus cos z, variables separable, we get dz by 1 plus cos z means 2 cos square z by 2, sin z means 2 sin z by 2 cos z by 2, that becomes 2 common out, 1 by 2 secant square z by 2 by 1 plus tan z by 2 dz equal to integral dx x plus c1, log 1 plus tan z by 2 equal to x plus c1, whereas z equal to x plus y. That is problem number 9.